Hey travelers, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got some amazing travel hacks that will make your next trip a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, these tips will save you time, money, and stress. So let's dive in. Roll, don't fold. Instead of folding your clothes, roll them. This saves space in your suitcase and helps prevent wrinkles.
Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game changer. They keep your clothes organized and make it easy to find what you need without unpacking everything.
Pack a power strip. A compact power strip can be a lifesaver when you're traveling with multiple devices. You'll never have to hunt for an extra outlet again.
Download maps offline. Before you leave, download maps of your destination offline. This way you can navigate even without an internet connection. Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers. Ace your interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now. Now let's continue with the list of travel hacks you must know. Bring a portable charger. Don't get caught with a dead phone. A portable charger will keep your devices powered up on the go. The 6th travel hack is, use a shower cap for shoes. Keep your dirty shoes from touching your clothes by covering them with a shower cap. Number 7 is pack a scarf. A scarf is a versatile accessory. It can double as a blanket, a pillow, or even a makeshift bag in a pinch.
Number 8 is use Google Flights. Google Flights is a powerful tool for finding the best deals on airfare. Set up price alerts to get notified when prices drop.
Pack snacks. Avoid overpriced airport food by packing your snacks. Granola bars, nuts, and dried fruit are all great options. The 10th is learn basic phrases. Finally, take the time to learn a few basic phrases in the local language. It shows respect for the culture and can make your interactions more enjoyable. 11. Use a pill organizer for jewelry. Keep your jewelry organized and tangle-free by using a pill organizer to store earrings, rings, and necklaces. 12. Pack a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated while reducing waste by bringing a reusable water bottle. Many airports and cities have water fountains where you can refill it for free. 13. Bring a portable luggage scale. Avoid overweight baggage fees by packing a portable luggage scale. It's small, lightweight, and can save you money in the long run. 14. Utilize travel apps. There are countless travel apps available that can help you find the best restaurants, navigate public transportation, and even learn about local customs. Do some research and download a few before your trip. 15. Pack a first aid kit. A small first aid kit can be a lifesaver when you're traveling. Include essentials like band-aids, pain relievers, and any medications you regularly take. 16. Use a binder clip for razor protection. Prevent your razor from dulling or cutting other items in your bag by placing a binder clip over the razor head. 17. Pack a power bank. Keep your devices charged on the go with a power bank. Opt for one with multiple USB ports to charge several devices simultaneously.
18. Download entertainment for offline use. Download movies, TV shows, podcasts, or books before your trip to enjoy during flights or downtime without needing an internet connection.
19. Use a contact lens case for liquids. Store small amounts of liquids such as moisturizer or foundation in a contact lens case to save space and prevent leaks.
20. Roll clothes with dryer sheets. Place dryer sheets between rolled clothes in your suitcase to keep them smelling fresh throughout your trip.
There you have it, folks. 20 must-know travel hacks for your next trip. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels!